Hi everybody, so yes, Cheryl is finally in the house. She's one of the very early Rainbow High dolls. I don't remember what they call this group, but basically they are based off of the characters from Clueless, and that of course definitely appeals to me. I will say I was hesitant to get her for quite some time because I just really don't like this outfit. I have an aversion to plaid because I wore it for many years as a Catholic school student, so it's not my favorite, and I'm wondering if that little t-shirt, if that's separate. But the doll is really pretty. I love the gold. I love her eyes, the gold on her eyes, those eyelashes. She's just really pretty. This outfit I actually really like, which is funny because a lot of people in unboxings have told me they don't like this when I've watched their videos, so I always thought that was interesting. She was on sale on Amazon for something like $12, and I decided to scoop her up. I don't know if I'm going to get any of the other gals on here. Yeah, this girl actually I've been looking at quite a bit, but I'm at this point. This series here is one of the older series, so I'm, especially after finding her for $12, I'm holding out till they're really low. All right, so she has a stand. Interestingly enough, she does not seem to have extra legs, so I guess she's always going to wear high heels. But she has a sparkly yellow stand, and it looks like some hangers. Oh, that's nice. All right. And, okay, so this goes with the stand. It says Rainbow. This for the shirt, and this must be for the skirt. Okay. She also has a comb in here. Yeah, no extra legs. This is her extra outfit. Like I said, I really like this outfit. I'm not sure about the shoes. I like the shoes she's wearing. These are cute too, though. All right, let me get everything out of the box, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got everything out of the box. I already lost one of the hangers. It fell behind here, so let's take that all apart and find that hanger. But anyway, let's take a look at this outfit. So I'm very happy that this is 2 pieces. So really, you have her second outfit has 3 pieces, so she could just wear it like this or like this. I mean, clearly it's pretty sheer, so she would need to either wear a camisole underneath if she didn't have this little sweater on, but she could probably wear it like that, I guess. I don't know. I like this little outfit. It's funny how people's tastes are different, but anywho, so in fact, I'm going to put this outfit on her at the end of this video so we can see what it looks like. Here are the other shoes. Those are some spiky heels, boy. I think these are cute. I'm not, totally in love with them. I guess what I find a little off-putting is, so these are yellow, and then this, to me, this color, I think it's supposed to be gold, but to me it looks more flesh tone. So it seems kind of an odd combination with the bright yellow to me. But anywho, she has some cute shoes. It also has this little tiara. This is Rainbow. I don't know. I don't see myself putting that on her. All right, so let's look at the doll. When I took her out, her earring came out right away. Their ear holes I think are problematic. So you can see the earrings in here, but it barely is hanging on. So I'm kind of like, either have ear holes that are easy to put earrings in, like the Fakey Blythe dolls, where you can just use actual people earrings, or have maybe like some post earrings that are like permanently in her ears, or just forego the piercing people. Okay, so yeah, these will probably I'd be very careful not to lose those. And then she was in there massive tabbing, 2 tabs in her head. I still need to finish taking out. There was one that I didn't cut. Yes, I can feel that one. See that one right there? I don't know if you can see it or not. So she still has one sticking out, so I'm going to have to carefully, yeah, there's 2. I feel both of them. I'm going to have to take some time and remove those. But otherwise, her hair is surprisingly soft. I'm kind of amazed. I was really sure I was going to have to spa her and possibly lose the curl. But see, this shows you don't have to have tons of product in a doll hair to still have the curls, folks. So, yeah, now I don't know when I actually comb her hair, which I do feel like her hair needs to be combed. Is it going to become a frizzy mess? I don't know, but it sure is soft. Very soft hair. All right, so she has yellow fingernail polish on her fingernails. She's got this really pretty pink lipstick. I thought she was supposed, yeah, she does have liners. Okay, so she has pink, a darker pink lip liner. Back in the day, lip liner was like a big deal. I remember those days. I wasn't into it, but I'm not a big makeup person, so. All right, so this jacket is tacked down, so I guess to get that off, I'm going to have to cut some more tabs off of her. And then she's got these really long stockings and these shoes. These shoes I like. I like the effect. Yeah, I think I like these better than the other shoes. Yeah, they have a little bow detail, little, circle ball thing there. Yeah, definitely like them. Let's see how stiff her legs are. There's a little booger there. Can I get that off? It's a little black thingy. Oh yeah, I can get it off. Okay, good. So her legs are bendy. All right, not too bad. All right. Okay, so let me cut this little thing off. I'll be right back. So yeah, the jacket is removable. Yes, good, 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 good. All right. So yeah, that's good to know. The inside of the jacket's not finished, but what do you expect for 12 bucks, girl? Yeah. Okay, come on, man. There we go. All right, so let's look at her face. Some more. Her lips, like I said, have that liner, lip liner. Her eyeshadow it's yellow, and then it's got a gold outline, and she's got lighter eyebrows, kind of like me. Though she has brown eyes, not blue eyes. Oh my gosh, she is pretty. Yeah, I do really like this doll. So let me see. I'm curious if this is if there are two. So there's a belt here that says Rainbow on the belt buckle. Ooh, you hear that thunder? Oh, we sure could use some rain. All right, and then so the belt. How do I get the belt off? The belt is. Please don't be sewn in. Oh, okay, good. It's Velcroed here. Yeah, so I think that this t-shirt is separate. Possible dolly nudity. Yeah. Oh, right. Okay, so nice. So she could actually wear this little t-shirt, possibly with the skirt. It might be kind of long. Or the top might not be long enough is what I meant to say. But yeah, so that's 3 different pieces there. And of course she has some yellow undies. All right, so I'll be right back. I'm going to switch out her outfit and comb her hair a little bit and cut these little tab things out of her head a little bit better than I did. It was really hard to get in there, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't cut some of her hair off. But she was really secured in there big time. All right, we'll be right back with her new outfit. So I just wanted to stop and show you before I finish switching out her outfit completely. I think you can get away with this little t-shirt and this skirt together. You can see a little bit of her tummy, but not much. And I think that's super cute. So that makes me happy because, like I said, I'm not I'm not super keen on plaid in general after having to wear it every day for, what was it, 8 years. So, so it's not my favorite. And I've combed her hair out, and it's just luscious and amazing. I'm shocked by how nice her hair is compared to the other dolls, the other Rainbow High dolls I've gotten. All right, so I'm going to finish putting on the rest of her new outfit. Alrighty, here she is in her other outfit. I will say getting this white shirt on is, and even the sweater over it, one of the things I've noticed about these Rainbow High dolls, some of their clothing is so tight, and then it's hard to get on. But I mean, I got it on, but you can see like she's kind of bursting at the seams here. I mean, like you really gotta get it over there. So yeah, it's a little tight. It's like, you know, if they just gave us another 1/8 of an inch, that would have been nice. So yeah, here she is. Very, very cute. I'm happy I got this girl finally. 12 bucks. Yeah, that's a good price. Totally worth the doll. She's in really good shape. She's actually in probably the better shape than any of the dolls I've gotten so far. But yeah, I'll pop a few pictures here of her at the end of this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know if you have this doll, if you're thinking about getting her, or anything you'd like to share about your Rainbow High doll collection in the comments below. And have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye!